Stop using ChatGPT. I know, that sounds insane. For the last 3 years, we've been told that generative AI is the future. We've spent billions of hours typing prompts, waiting for text, and then doing the actual work ourselves. But look closely at what is happening in Silicon Valley right now. The era of the chatbot is over. We are entering a new phase. It's called the Agentic Shift. In 2025, AI doesn't just talk to you. It doesn't just write a poem. It takes control of your mouse. It opens your apps. It spends your money. And it does your job while you sleep. In this video, we are going to break down why AI agents are the technology that actually replaces humans, and why the biggest companies in the world are terrified of what comes next. Think about how you use AI today. You open a window, you type, "Write me an email to my boss." The AI writes it. You copy it. You open Gmail. You paste it. You hit send. The AI didn't do the job. You did the job. The AI was just a fancy autocomplete. This is what experts call Copilot Purgatory. It's helpful, but it's passive. It waits for you. But Agentic AI is different. An agent has 3 things. A chatbot doesn't: perception, brains, and tools. It sees the email, decides it needs a reply, opens your email client, writes the draft, and hits send. It closes the loop. It's the difference between a passenger giving you directions and a driver taking the wheel. This isn't sci-fi, it's happening right now. Look at software development. In 2024, we had coding assistants. You asked for code and they gave it to you. But in late 2025, we have autonomous coding agents. These agents can be given a vague goal like, build me a website for a pizza shop. The agent doesn't just write the code. It opens the terminal. It installs the packages. It fixes its own errors when the code breaks. It's an endless loop of self-correction until the job is done. It's not just coding. Look at retail. H&M and other giants are rolling out shopping agents that handle 70% of customer queries without a human ever touching a keyboard. These aren't the dumb press one for support bots of the past. These agents have access to inventory, shipping data, and refund systems. They are making decisions that used to require a human manager. So, why is this happening now? Because the brain got big enough to handle the body. To run an agent, you need massive reasoning power. A chatbot thinks once per message. An agent might think 500 times to complete one task. Planning, checking, replanning, acting. This is why NVIDIA and the hyperscalers are spending over $400 billion on AI infrastructure in 2025 alone. They aren't building chips for you to talk to a funny bot. They are building the infrastructure for a digital workforce that runs 24/7. We are seeing a massive bifurcation in the chip market. NVIDIA controls the training, but custom chips are flooding in to handle the inference, the actual thinking these agents do all day long. But here's the dark side. When you give an AI tools, access to your email, your bank, your mouse, you introduce risk. What happens when an agent hallucinates? A chatbot hallucination is a funny lie. An agent hallucination is deleting your database or buying $5,000 worth of non-refundable tickets. We are already seeing the rise of shadow AI, where employees secretly use autonomous agents to do their work, exposing company data to the world. The question isn't, will AI replace tasks? It's which tasks are safe left to humans. If you want to survive the agentic shift, you need to understand it. And that's what we do here. Subscribe to Neon Cortex. We'll see you in the future.